guys, Firearms Addict here, and I am participating in Gun Wild One's BB Gun Challenge. And in this video, I want to feature the Beeman Tempest. This is a 177 caliber pellet pistol. It is a single stroke piston. The way it works, you press this button on the side and you just pull the barrel and it cocks it. Once you have the pistol cocked, you take your pellet, just put it in the end of the barrel, shut the barrel. Has a safety here, has a red indicator for fire, and let's see how we do on these cans. Hit. Hit. The deer are not happy with us. Hit. This is a fun little pistol. It's actually made by Webley and Scott out of England. It's pretty high quality, has a serial number. All right, we got them all knocked over. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share. We'd love for you to subscribe. And thank you for watching.